Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learnivo, where we practice IELTS speaking with natural, fluent, high-band model answers. Today's topic focuses on technology, innovation, and modern lifestyles, which are very common in IELTS because they allow you to describe preferences, future purchases, and how technology affects daily life. Stay until the end of this episode to learn useful IELTS vocabulary related to technology, innovation, and modern devices. Our topic today is describe a piece of technology that you would like to own. Let's begin.
Now I'm going to give you your topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Describe a piece of technology that you would like to own. You should say what the technology is, how you learned about it, what it can do, and explain why you would like to own it. Your 1 minute preparation starts now. Your time starts now.
One piece of technology that I would really like to own is a home 3D printer. Unlike smartphones or computers, a 3D printer can create physical objects from digital designs, which makes it a very unique and practical technology. I have always been fascinated by the idea of turning a digital concept into a real object within a few hours. I first learned about this technology through technology videos and online articles several years ago. Since then, I have continued to follow developments in the industry and watch demonstrations of how people use 3D printers for personal projects, education, engineering, and even small businesses. The more I learned about it, the more interested I became. A 3D printer can create a wide range of items, including prototypes, tools, decorative objects, and replacement parts. It allows users to design products on a computer and then print them layer by layer using specialized materials. This technology can save time, encourage creativity, and make it easier to test ideas before producing them on a larger scale. I would like to own a 3D printer because I enjoy technology and creative projects. I think it would help me develop practical skills while also allowing me to experiment with new ideas. In addition, it could be useful for solving everyday problems by creating customized items that are difficult to find in stores. Overall, I see it as both an educational and productive investment.
Thank you. Now let's move on to part 3, where we will discuss technology and innovation in a broader way. How has technology changed people's lives?
Technology has transformed people's lives in countless ways by improving communication, transportation, education, and healthcare. Tasks that once required significant time and effort can now be completed much more efficiently. In addition, technology has created new opportunities for learning, working remotely, and accessing information from anywhere in the world.
Do people depend too much on technology today?
In some ways, people have become highly dependent on technology because it is integrated into almost every aspect of daily life. While this dependence provides convenience and efficiency, it can also create problems when systems fail or when people rely too heavily on devices for simple tasks that could be done independently.
What are the benefits of owning advanced technology?
Advanced technology can improve productivity, save time, and make daily activities more convenient. It can also provide access to new opportunities for education, entertainment, and professional development. Furthermore, many modern devices help people perform tasks more accurately and efficiently than traditional methods.
Do you think technology will continue to develop rapidly?
Yes, I believe technology will continue to develop rapidly because innovation is driven by growing demand and competition. New advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation are already changing industries worldwide. As research continues, technology is likely to become even more integrated into everyday life.
Should schools invest more in technology?
Schools should invest in technology because it can enhance learning and provide students with valuable digital skills. Modern tools can make lessons more interactive and engaging. However, technology should support education rather than replace traditional teaching methods, as both approaches have important benefits.
Can technology reduce creativity?
Technology can reduce creativity if people rely on it excessively and stop thinking independently. However, it can also enhance creativity by providing tools for design, communication, and problem solving. The impact depends largely on how technology is used and whether people continue to develop their own ideas.
What technologies are likely to become popular in the future?
Technologies related to artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and automation are likely to become increasingly popular. Smart devices, robotics, and advanced manufacturing tools may also play a larger role in daily life. These innovations could improve efficiency and create solutions for many modern challenges.
Is expensive technology always better?
Expensive technology is not always better because price does not guarantee quality or usefulness. Some affordable products can perform extremely well and meet users' needs effectively. It is more important to evaluate features, reliability, and practicality rather than assuming that the most expensive option is automatically the best.
Before we finish today's session, let's review some useful IELTS vocabulary related to technology and innovation.
Innovation. A new idea or invention. Innovation drives technological progress and improves many aspects of daily life. Device. A piece of technology. This device can perform tasks that were impossible just a few years ago. Efficient. Working well without wasting resources. Modern technology makes many everyday activities more efficient and convenient. Prototype. An early version of a product. Engineers often create a prototype before producing a final product. Automation. Using technology to perform tasks automatically. Automation helps businesses improve productivity and reduce repetitive work. Practical. Useful in real situations. A 3D printer is practical because it can create customized items at home. Creative. Able to produce original ideas. Technology can support creative projects and encourage innovation in many fields. Advanced. Highly developed or modern. Advanced technologies continue to transform industries around the world. Productivity. The ability to produce results efficiently. Many people use technology to increase productivity and save valuable time. Customized. Made for a specific purpose or person. A 3D printer allows users to create customized products for unique needs. Experiment. To test ideas or methods. Technology gives people opportunities to experiment with new concepts safely. Investment. Something purchased for future benefit. Buying useful technology can be a valuable investment for long-term development.
And that brings us to the end of today's IELTS Speaking. Part 2 and 3 practice on describing a piece of technology that you would like to own. If this lesson helped you, make sure to subscribe to Learnivo, like the video, and comment with the next cue card you'd like to practice. See you in the next lesson.